this is Preeti. We are here with the another question of exercise 8.1, page number 146, question number 5. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angle, then it is square. So this is the figure we are having. This is the quadrilateral ABCD. These are the diagonals. So I have given the name to the angles 1, 2, 3, 4 at the point where they are intersecting each other. So this is the point O where they are intersecting each other. So first I am going to write what we have given. So we have given that ABCD is a quadrilateral and AC is equal to BD. This one is given, and we are having AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to DO. This one, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. Now comes to the fourth one. What we have given that angle number 1 is equal to the angle number 2 is equal to the angle number 3 and equal to the angle number 4. Why? Because they are of the 90 degree. Where they are intersecting each other, they are of the 90 degree. So we are going to take the triangle AOB and the triangle COB. This one we are having. So in this one we are going to write here AO is equal to the OC. This one is given. Angle 1 is equal to the angle 2. Why? Because they are of the 90 degree. And BO is equal to the BO. This one is common in the question. Now by triangle AOB is congruous to the triangle COB. They are congruous to each other by side angle side congruence rule. Now these two triangles are congruous to each other. Then AB is equal to BC by CP CT. So now we are going to take the another pair of triangles. The triangle DOC and the triangle BOC. So now in this one the triangle DOC and the triangle BOC. This one. In this one OC is equal to OC. This one is common in the question. And the triangle DOC and the triangle BOC, this one, the angle 2 is equal to the angle 3. Why? Because they are of the 90 degree. And OD is equal to OB. This one is given in the question. So the triangle DOC is congruous to the triangle BOC by side angle side congruence rule. So if these two triangles are equal to each other, then we are going to, then BC is equal to CD by CP CT. Now we are going to take the another pair of triangles, the triangle COD and the triangle AOT. The triangle COD and the triangle AOD. So this is the COD and this one is the AOD. In this one OD is equal to OD. This one is common. And angle 3 is equal to the angle 4. This one is equal to 90 degree and OA is equal to the OC. Why? Because O is the mid point. So the triangle COD is congruent to the triangle AOD by side angle side congruence rule. Now if these two triangles are congruent to each other, then the line segment CD is equal to AD. Now CD is equal to the AD by CP/CT. So this one is equation number 1, this one is the 2, and this one is the 3. Now we are going to take the another pair of triangles, the triangle. Now we are having these three equations, the equation 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to write here from equation 1, 2 and 3. From these three equations, AB is equal to BC, AB is equal to BC, this one, and BC is equal to CD, and CD is equal to AD. This one we are having. 4 of these sides are equal to each other. That means it is a rhombus. So we are going to write here. So it is a rhombus. Now this one we know that now we know that this is the rhombus as per given in the. Now as we proved that it is a rhombus. Now we are going to take the another pair of triangles, the triangle ABC and the triangle DAB, or you can say the triangle BAD. So the triangle ABC and the triangle, the another triangle is the triangle BAD, the triangle BAD. Now in these two triangles we have AB is equal to BA, this one is common, this one is the common we are having, and BC is equal to AD, BC is equal to AD, this one we have proved. So we are going to write here proved. Now the another section AC is equal to BD, this one we have given AC is equal to BD. So we are going to write here AC is equal to BD, this one is given in the question. Now the triangle we are going to write here, the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BAD. Now we are having these two triangles as congruent to each other by side congruence rule. Now this one is congruent to this one. Now if these two triangles are congruent, then angle B, the angle B is equal to the angle A. They both are equal by CP/CT. Now we are having this one as equal to angle number 1 and the angle number 2. So now we are going to the angle ABC. Now in the angle ABC plus angle BAD plus angle BAD, this one is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of co-interior angles. So now we know that these two angles are equal to each other. So the angle ABC is equal to the 90 degree and the angle BAD is also equal to 90 degree. So now this one is the 90 degree. So the angle ABC, this one is the 90 degree, and the angle BAD, this one is of the 90 degree. So now these two angles are of the 90 degree. So it is a square. So I'm going to write here. So it is a square because these one are of the 90 degree. With this one, we have completed the question number 5. In the next video, we are going to start with the question number 6.